Hey everybody, back with another video. Today we're going to be installing the Full Force RC shock boots on my Traxxas maxx 8S. They come in a package like this. It's flat. Comes in a package of 4. I installed these on my version 1 X Max and they worked out pretty good. Never had any issues with them, no ripping. They kept the shocks pretty clean, so we're going to go ahead and install these on my 8S Traxxas X Max. I had already installed the Dusty Motors red shroud. We'll finish it off with the shock boots. Also I have the 3-cell light bar installed in the front. Alright, we'll put one on and I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, got the first one on the spring. As you can see, it just slides over the spring. You take it off the shock and slide it right on, tuck in each edge, and then you put them back on the shock. So I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so that's what one looks like installed on the Traxxas X Max. I only got one on. I think it looks pretty good. Matches the red truck. Full Force RC. Alright, we'll install the rest. 3 more to go. Alright guys, there's number 2. Looks good so far. 2 more to go. Alright guys, there's the third one. One more to go. Alright guys, all the Full Force RC shock covers are now installed on my Traxxas X Max 8S. I think it looks pretty good. Don't mind that clock. And there you have it. Here's the finished product for the Traxxas X Max 8S. Running the Dusty Motors shroud, Full Force RC shock boots, and the front light bar. Alright guys, as always, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next episode of Nezzy's RC World. Bye for now.